Good morning. It is 4:21 and I am in my wardrobe. I'm closing my suitcases and I am about to embrace another adventure. It is 4:23. My car's coming in 7 minutes. Today we're going to Switzerland. We're flying to Zurich and then off to St. Moritz, where we're going to have 2 days of pure fun, and of course I'm taking you with me. So I thought I'd start this vlog to say hello, and now we should get the party started. We are flying with Swiss today.
Okay, madam, boarding time is 8:25.
Thank you.
Security's over here. You know where the lounge is?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I arrived earlier than I anticipated, so I'm gonna go hit some stores while it's nice and empty early morning, and then I'm gonna head to the lounge.
Dangerous and will activate a smoke alarm. If cabin pressure
30 reports cloudy sky, temperature of 1 degree centigrade and some wind. Thank you for choosing Swiss.
Hello Zurich! Doina and I landed and we're about to go out to meet the Grisogono team. And we made it to our hotel, guys. Welcome to my hotel room. We just arrived and I thought I'd give you a little tour. We're staying at the Budget's Palace in St. Moritz, and I've got a little letter and a little present. We're gonna open that in a second. My luggage has just arrived, and this is the view in the balcony. This is so amazing. Shall we go out? I bet it's freezing, but the stuff I do for you. Wow. It's stunning. I hope it's gonna be less foggy tomorrow so that we can see some clouds and it's not just all white, but it's very pretty. Okay, now I froze enough, so I'm gonna get back in. Yeah, this is the sleeping area and the wardrobe. I'm starving, by the way. It's been a long day. And this is the bathroom. It's all super pretty and marbly. So this was my travel outfit. Some simple jeans, the Chloe boots that I love so much. This is a Fendi coat. And yeah, that's it. We were actually supposed to take a helicopter to St. Moritz, but the weather was too unpredictable, so we had to drive. And it was really fun. I really enjoyed it so far. Shall we open this to see what's in there? Let's have a look. There's a letter, I think. Ooh. A very warm welcome to St. Moritz and the legendary Budget's Palace Hotel. I hope you had a safe and pleasurable journey through the Swiss Alps and were already able to enjoy the stunning champagne climate of St. Moritz. It is a great pleasure to have you here. So sweet! I love this. And then, what is this? Looks like matches. Oh no, it's a USB stick. What could this be? What could it be? Oh wow! It's like La Martina top. They do like polo on ice here or something like that. So they've given me a La Martina top. So cute. Guys, I'm so hungry right now and I really need to order Zimmer service. Sorry to all my German subscribers for butchering your language, but let's see. Tag und Nacht. What shall we have? Okay, no, I do not speak that much German. Maybe I do actually. Who knows? But where is English language? That would be very useful. Guys, look what just arrived, room service. I've ordered quite a bit and I've got a minestrone steak, my favorite. And then I have 2 salads which I'm gonna mix. I have Caesar just with chicken, and then I have Greek salad because I like to have a lot of vegetables, but at the same time I want to have some chicken and parmesan, so I'm gonna mix the 2 and have that. And I'm gonna eat now because in 25 minutes I have to be downstairs and I want to eat and freshen up and get ready. So yeah, we're tight with time. No shadows are so bad in here, but this is my outfit. We're going on a horse carriage ride from what I understood, so this is what I'm wearing. We're just in the hotel lobby and I am wearing this the Grizzagona ring, which is so sparkly, and wait to see the earrings. Okay, you can't see anything. I am back in my room. I'm kind of like getting ready now. This is what I'll be wearing tonight. This is Sandro top, Zara skirt, Louboutin boots. This is how I did my hair. And we're going for dinner and I have 0 minutes until I have to be downstairs. So let's go. Dinner time. So festive here. Thank you. Oh, it's gonna be a traditional Swiss, right? Nice. Hi. Is this because Swiss guys are not very tall? Look, straight look at the door. I just realized I wasn't vlogging at all during the dinner because we were talking all the time. Too much gossip. Too much gossip, but we're heading now back to the hotel. I'm so tired. Can you imagine? I didn't sleep last night, so... Good morning, everybody. I officially deserve the worst vlogger in the world award. Is there such an award? If not, I think they should just invent it for me. I woke up like 2 or 3 hours ago because my breakfast arrived and I ate it and took some pictures and then got ready for spa, and I was like, something's missing, and then I was like, wait a second, I wasn't vlogging. So I took my vlogging camera just to realize that the battery is completely empty. It's charging now because we have a fun day ahead on the slopes and I really want to take you with me, so it's charging, but until then it's gonna be my iPhone quality. Since the breakfast is done and I really enjoyed it. Oh, they're cleaning the snow on the balcony. Well, you've seen already the view. I'm all dressed in the bathrobe and now gonna head to the spa downstairs, so hopefully I won't forget to vlog this time. I'll be a bit better. Wow. This is so serene. I don't even know which way I need to go. I think it's this way. is beautiful.
This is a waterfall.
Okay guys, I'm back from the spa. I literally had 10 minutes to have a shower, change, and this is what I'm wearing. I'll link it all below because I'm already 5 minutes late and I was told I cannot be late. So it's kind of like a white winter look. I'll show you later. Okay, we are going ahead. Alright, Jeremy.
Hey.
We are on the ski lift. And it's so cool. And we're gonna take some amazing pictures now because he's got his camera. And it's so bright, right?
Yeah, right.
It's like, I don't have my sunglasses. That was very... I think I'll borrow yours. No, I'm joking. Not that cold, huh?
No, it's hot.
Hot? We're heading to lunch now, and this is the view. It is insanely beautiful here. Made it to our lunch spot, and it's super fab. It's called El Paradiso. We obviously are taking pictures first because this is just so pretty and picturesque, and you know, who wouldn't want to use the moment? If you go on my blog, I'm sure you'll be able to see a full blog post with an outfit from here. Okay. So nice in here. I love it. Oh my god. This is perfect. Look at the view. Well, you can't see it. Yeah, I changed it. Now you can see it. The view is absolutely insane from in here. This is the most delicious dessert that I've had recently, you guys. It's like, we had such a good lunch. I had some fondue, and now wearing these beautiful... I was looking for you. I love them. What do you think? Just quickly got back to the hotel to change my outfit. I really just changed the top and put on this Fendi jacket with my Gucci Dionysus. So we're off to ice skating. You know, currently we are learning about curling and taking some pictures.
Yeah,
and yeah, this is a discipline, it's a sport that we're about to learn about. We're having some hot chocolate and cake after spending some time in the snow and on the ice. It's really beautiful over here. There we go, another outfit change. It's quite classic, but this is what I'm wearing tonight, and we're off for dinner in the hotel. I've got the Balmain blazer, Hermes bag, pinko dress, and my Louboutin boot. Good morning. It is our last day in St.Moritz, and I'm just in my room shooting for the Grisagono, these beautiful, beautiful jewels. We were shooting outside. As you can see, the team is still here. They're helping me sort stuff out. And now I'm about to have breakfast. I have to part with these beautiful emeralds and turquoise. This is so nice. So sad to say goodbye to these pieces. Can I keep them? Okay, I am actually going downstairs now because we have a table in the breakfast room, kind of like for coffees and stuff like that together. And this is what I'm wearing. Okay, so right now I am in the lobby of the hotel, I actually took my luggage down because the luggage went by a car. I don't know if I told you this already, but we're going to Zurich airport via helicopter. We're currently in the lobby of the Badger's Hotel, Badger's Palace Hotel. It's really beautiful, and I'm wearing all these kind of like neutral and blush colors, which are my favorite, as you guys know. Okay guys, we are leaving St. Moritz and we're here. Our helicopter is just refueling, and then we're gonna head to Zurich, which is gonna take around 1 hour, and that's it then I guess I'm gonna take a flight from Zurich to London and then go back to Brighton. So yeah. Hello from Zurich. That ride was just incredible, like seeing all the mountains and the snow. It was just so beautiful. We are now gonna transfer to the airport, which is right behind me over there. And